In the realm of storytelling, the choice of narrative perspective is pivotal, transforming simple tales into riveting journeys. Third-person limited POV stands as a beacon, fostering a deep connection with readers through the eyes of a single character. This perspective offers a unique vantage point, allowing us to understand the world and its events from one perspective while maintaining the allure of the untold. What secrets do our chosen characters' thoughts hold? What truths are veiled from their sight? Third-person limited POV is not merely a storytelling mode. It's a bridge between the reader's curiosity and the character's knowledge. Through this exploration, we'll uncover third-person limited perspective's layers, its narrative technique implications, and its contrast with other perspectives, enhancing storytelling by offering a closer look at literature's unique character-audience bond. The transition from the omniscient to the intimate vistas of third-person limited perspective marks a fascinating evolution in storytelling. Previously, tales were narrated as if from above, with an all-knowing narrator. However, the third-person limited perspective emerged, focusing in the narrative lens on a single character, creating a new intimacy between character and reader. This perspective transformation revolutionized the reader's experience, deepening emotional resonance and creating a more immersive journey. Delving into third-person limited POV, we explore its ability to bind us to characters, making their journeys, triumphs, and defeats deeply personal. As we focus on the characteristics of the third-person limited point of view, it stands unique, allowing an intimate understanding of characters without being omnipresent. By aligning closely with a single character, it marries the depth of a first-person narrative with the flexibility of third-person omniscient. Unlike its counterparts, it balances revelation and concealment, creating suspense and engagement. This viewpoint offers a focused yet exploratory storytelling experience, proving indispensable in enriching narrative depth and character resonance. The third-person limited perspective endows storytellers with the ability to construct scenes of emotional richness, fostering a deep character-reader connection. Limiting the narrative scope to one protagonist's experience, authors create an intimate world where every emotion feels personal. This approach not only brings characters closer to the audience, but also allows precise control over information flow, crucial for engaging readers and maintaining suspense. It extends beyond intimacy and suspense, opening up a spectrum of emotional experiences, shaping both the narrative and the reader's journey. Every narrative technique, including the third-person limited perspective, comes with its spectrum of advantages and challenges. It offers unparalleled character depth, but is not without confines. Focusing on a single character's viewpoint risks bias, as the story is viewed through their unique lens, possibly narrowing the narrative's scope. Despite these constraints, the third-person limited POV enriches storytelling with emotional depth, presenting limitations not as barriers, but as elements that, with careful navigation, enhance our narrative toolkit. In the rich tapestry of literature, third-person limited POV has been a powerful tool, offering a window into characters' souls while veiling broader narrative aspects in mystery. Exploring literary applications like Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice reveals how closely following a character can enrich narratives with depth and emotional resonance, fostering intimacy and curiosity. This dual-edged perspective enhances reader engagement, marrying character empathy with suspense. As we consider its versatility, it becomes clear that third-person limited POV transforms storytelling, making narratives compelling and intimately relatable, inviting readers into the heart of the story. Now, as we touch upon crafting narratives in third-person limited POV, we reach a pivotal juncture. Choosing the right character becomes a delicate task, finding the voice where the story's heart beats strongest. It's about managing the delicate balance of revelation, akin to an illusionist's control over their audience's gaze. Careful management of what's revealed keeps readers intrigued without losing narrative tension. Crafting compelling stories mirrors preparing a gourmet meal, blending ingredients for the perfect outcome. Delving into the art of storytelling through third-person limited POV, we explore balancing character knowledge with reader curiosity. Achieving this equilibrium fuels suspense and enhances reader engagement. Strategic information revelation, akin to a chef's culinary timing, becomes crucial, teasing the unknowns while providing glimpses through the character's world. This engagement magic, balancing knowns with the allure of the unknown, shapes compelling narratives that keep readers hooked, one word at a time. As we navigate the complexities of third-person limited POV, we aim to avoid common pitfalls, such as the overuse of internal monologue and inconsistent perspective shifts. Striving for balance and maintaining a consistent viewpoint are essential for preserving intimacy and immediacy. Reflecting on narrative direction and technique effects sharpens your story, ensuring deep resonance with readers. Armed with awareness of challenges and strategies to overcome them, your storytelling is poised for richness. Concluding our exploration of third-person limited POV, we revisit its essence and storytelling. It enlivens characters, making their realities as intimate to the audience as to the author. It encourages closeness and curiosity, melding them into compelling narratives. Practice and experimentation unlock its true potential. As storytellers, embrace this tool, explore its boundaries, and let your narratives resonate with authenticity and impact, for every story told brings mastery closer.